Good afternoon, this is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV on this bright, beautiful, sunny day here in March. I want to show you this 2015 Sunseeker Forest River 2500 TS. What's kind of unique about this is a couple things. Oftentimes people come in and say they love Chevys. This is the Chevy. Few and far between, but this is on a Chevy. Second thing is, this is a 25-footer that has tremendous amounts of interior room and storage. So it's on a Chevy 4500 chassis. As we come around the side, we can see the water heater, rotocast storage. This will be the LP tank. Additional rotocast storage. It's got a real nice door back here for storage with pass-through all the way across. As we go around, we'll duck, because this is the rear slide out we have here. Comes with a ladder to reach the roof. Aluminum bumper for storage of your sewer hose. That one's locked. Here we're going to have our service bay. So small Class C, but still an enclosed service bay for your black and gray tanks. Outside shower. Get another rotocast bay, and then the long rotocast bay along with our generator. And up here on the slide out, we have additional storage. So a little shorty, it's a little 25-footer, but as we go inside, you'll see it's got a nice layout and a little more room than some. So as we come in, we can see the large galley extension. Actually has a spot in the galley to have a trash can down below. Double bowl sink, coming around 3-burner microwave with oven, U-shaped dinette booth, pantries, cab over bunk. And as we talked about outside, we are in a Chevy. So a little more room there at the driver's feet and around the front. Double door refrigerator. Split bath. Over here we have our shower and toilet. Separate vanity. Back here is where we really have some nice area. Our bedroom obviously goes out the back. But here on this side, we also have additional ward space. So like I said, a little 25-foot Class C, great storage all around, good wardrobe space, kind of a good family coach for sleeping 4 to 6. So this is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV. I hope you'll come see us. Love to take you on a test drive of this Chevy and see what we could do. Thank you very much.